Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export the data that you're looking for. I think what you're looking for and what Nicole and I did research on is the plis- pupil listing report. It's part of this report right here that you're supposed to send to the state. Right here under the second tab, it says pupil listing, and I recall that you wanted me to create some kind of report where you could get the students' names, their district of residence, the grade level for which they enrolled on the first school day in September, and then I guess here some kind of errors. I'm not sure what that's for, but I'm going to show you how to get the data for the student names, the district of residence, and the grade level. So in PowerSchool, I've already created a template that you can use for exporting this data. So what you're going to do, first of all, is find the students who were enrolled as of a specific date. And you can see my little query here that I entered in, but let's show you what that looks like if you were to do it. So you're just going to put asterisk as underscore of equals and then the date, and I just picked September 14th. I'm not sure what day you need to put in, but this is all you have to do, and then hit enter or the blue magnifying glass, and it's going to give you all the students that were actively enrolled on that day. Once I have that list of students over here on the left hand side, you're going to click on this drop down arrow and select export using template. When we click on export using template, we get to our next page, which we will choose the type of export, which is a student type. And then the different reports that are getting data from that particular table, the students table, will be listed. And we're going to use the pupil listing data report. And we're going to select all 421 students that we made at the beginning of for our current selection of students. We're going to go ahead and click submit. This is going to download the data, and in my browser, Firefox, it's up here at the top of the screen. I can see when things are downloaded and when they're completed. I'm going to go to my computer, my laptop, and I'm going to click on my file folder and go to my downloads folder, which is right here. And then I'm going to right mouse click and go to open with Excel. And once I open it in Excel, I'm going to get the data that I think you're looking for, which is the student's name, their district of residence. It actually gives you the number of the district of residence and grade levels. Now, if any of this data needs to be different, for example, district of residence, we need to know, and I will fix the template that you are using to export this data. So that template just always stays there. The place that I created it was under importing and exporting. And then I went to export using a template. Actually, no, I went to templates for exporting, and this is where I created it. I see you have some others here. It doesn't appear that they've been set up. This one I can tell has been set up because it has the 3 columns in it that we talked about earlier. So this could be another class if you wanted to learn how to create these templates for exporting, but you've got this one in here now and can use it going forward.